नमस्कार पोळे प्रुडंट खबरो. पर्रीकाराचे सरकार लागले मार्गाक. विश्वासमत 22-16 जिंकले. राष्ट्रवादीचे चर्चिलाचो तेको. मतदान करीनासतना विश्वजितान मारली कूस. महिन्याभरात बीजेपीचे युती सरकाराचो किमान समान कार्यक्रम. फोकस रोजगार आणि गोंयकारपणाचेर. खाते वाटप शुक्रारा सांजे. उरिल्ली खाती 2 मंत्री एप्रिलांत. काँग्रेस फुट्टा. काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आणि कारभाराक विटून विश्वजितान काँग्रेस आणि आमदारकी सोडली. वाळपय परत इलेक्शन. तेको बीजेपीक 6 महिने भितर 2 मतदारसंघांनी पोटवेंचणूक. सिनियर राणे सरकार पक्षाक विधानसभेत 41 आमदारांचे लेक्चर झाडटा असताना विश्वजितच गायब. विश्वजितान साइन केल्लो व्हीप, मात काँग्रेसीन इन्वर्ट केलोच ना. आणि आयरिश चलयेचो काणकोणो खून करचे पयलीं तिचेर जाल्ले लैंगिक अत्याचार. पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्टांत स्पष्ट. गळो ओंदून मारली. भाजपाचे पर्रीकाराचे युती सरकार मार्गाक लागले. मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकाराचे सरकारान विधानसभेत विश्वासमत 22-16 मतांनी जिंकले. निमाणे राष्ट्रवादीचे चर्चिलांनी बीजेपीक तेंको दिलो. काँग्रेसीचे विश्वजित राणेन मतदाना वेळार कूस मारली आणि काँग्रेसीचो आंकडो 16चेरच उरलो. काँग्रेसीचो व्हीप रजिस्टर करतना गोंधळ जाला. व्हीप पयलीं रजिस्टर जाला काय विश्वजिताचो राजीनामो ताचे कोफूसांव.
फुडलो एजेंडा विश्वासदर्शक ठराव. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री तुमचो ठराव मानात.
Move that this House expresses its confidence in the Council of Ministers headed by Sri Manohar Parrikar.
ठराव सभागृहा मुखार आसा. I now put the motion to vote.
I am asking a question, Mr. Speaker, sir. How many members are there in this House?
Those in
as
favor
per
of the
Constitution?
Motion may please stand up.
Article 371I says.
Those in favor of the
40.
motion may please stand up.
Division.
Those in favor of the motion may please stand up in their seats. Please count.
22.
Those against the motion may please stand up in their seats.
Division.
Those against the motion may please stand up. Division झाले मरे.
Division.
No, we have not put it for the voice vote. This is direct division of votes. This is the division.
Speaker. 16 मारे. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16 16 वर्षी 22.
हो ठराव 22 विरुद्ध 16 मतांनी जिंकलो.
इतल्या मजगती राष्ट्रवादीच्या केंद्रीय पदाधिकाऱ्यांची मान्यताय घेनासतना बीजेपीच्या विश्वासमताक तेको दिलो म्हूण राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन चर्चिल आलेमावाक कारणां दाखय नोटीस धाडल्या आनी पक्षांतर बंदी कायद्या खाला चर्चिलाचेर एक्शन घेवपाची शिटकावणी दिल्या. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
महिन्याभरात भाजपाचे युती सरकाराचो किमान समान कार्यक्रम जाहीर जातलो. रोजगार आणि गोंयकारपणाचो केंद्रबिंदू दवरून हो कार्यक्रम थारतलो म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार विश्वास मता उपरांत मिडिया कडेन उलयलो. शुक्रारा सांजे मेरेन प्रत्येक मंत्र्याक एक खातें दितलो. उरिल्लीं खातीं आनी 2 मंत्री अर्थसंकल्पीय अधिवेशना उपरांत एप्रिलांत म्हूण पर्रीकारान उलोवन दाखयलां.
Resolution motion was passed with 22 to 16 with one speaker supporting the ruling coalition. It makes actually support of 23 members. with 16 members opposing it. We have proved before the people of India, because this was being live feed sent to almost all national channels also. There's a lot of curiosity with national channel about this today's motion, and as promised, we had a support of 23. We proved it on the floor of the House, debunking the Digvijay's claim that they have numbers. Right from beginning, they did not have number, and it was only hype, possibly because there was a demand which was coming that Digvijay step down as a general secretary and as a desk in charge. This happens when you come to Goa only to enjoy, not to work. And now on 22nd there will be speaker selection, 23rd governor's address, 24th budget, and the session will end there to meet again as per the requirement. We will hold a cabinet tomorrow, so that portfolios are few portfolios, one each will be distributed tomorrow evening. By tomorrow, it may be declared day after tomorrow, because the governor has a program outside Goa, so it will require the formality of faxing it, taking her signature and coming back. Maybe it will be notified day after tomorrow morning. Swearing in two ministers will be in the middle, somewhere in the after 1st of April. Let the budget session go through. After budget session, yes, as we promised, from today, from the date we were sworn in at Raj Bhavan, day for yesterday, 14th. Next 14th April, tentatively, maybe plus or minus 4-5 days, we will be giving you a common program, but it is basically towards development of Goa, towards keeping the speciality Goikarpan of Goa, towards getting employment, how to generate employment. These are the few of the issues. There are small issues, but main issues are basically we need to keep the special position of this state while we develop. If constitutional amendment is carried out, I don't think anyone has a choice. I don't know what is the way he will. He has started a debate. You probably has an intention of starting another debate. I don't have that intention, but if there is an amendment in the constitution or law, then everyone has to follow the amendment.
The last government were described as corrupt, communal, wanted to bring on denationalization. Do you still back those allegations?
Past is the past. The future is Goa first. Goa first.
Goa first in fast forward.
We
We'll
will
decide.
We will support as on date. We will support the candidate which will be chosen by this alliance.
Correct.
We are with the alliance for
This
now
is a coalition.
and forever.
You will have a coordination committee for alliance partners.
हांगा बसल्या मरे 5 जण
No, whether there will be a formal coordination.
आणि हे 2 इंडिपेंडंट बसल्या रे जे गव्हर्मेंटाचे भाग आसा ते सगळ्यांक हे करू जाता फॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल हाका कितें करता जो पर्यंत तुजे कम्फर्ट लेवल आहा द कॅबिनेट इटसेल्फ ऑलमोस्ट एक्सेप्ट 1 or 2 represents all the groups, so we can even discuss issues informally after the cabinet meetings and take decisions, because ultimately it's a very small state.
आणि कोणी काँग्रेसीतल्यान 4-5 जण आयले जाल्यार घेतले तुम्ही
तुका सांगला हांच्यानी दिग्विजयाची कितें तांच्यांनी परमिशन दिग्विजया कडेन परमिशन घेतली म्हाका तांच्या पक्षाचेर कित्याक उलोवंक लायता हांव आमच्या टिमीचेर उलयतां आय डोंट कॉमेंट
सर काही दिवसांपूर्वी तुम्ही वक्तव्य केलं होतं काँग्रेसचे काही आमदार तुमच्या संपर्कात आहेत ते आज फ्लोर टेस्टच्या वेळेला का नाही
नाही बघितलं नाही तुम्ही
मी तुम्हाला कधीच असं सांगितलेलं नाही. त्यांनी SMS पाठवलेले आहे. याचा अर्थ संपर्क करणं म्हणजे काय? त्यातले कमीत कमी 75% हॅव ग्रीटेड मी बिकॉज दे हॅव बीन पार्ट ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर असेंबली विथ मी अर्लियर ऑल्सो. सो दे केम एंड विश्ड मी. मेनी ऑफ देम शूक हैंड विथ मी. उसमें क्या होता है, गोवा इतना छोटा है, वी नो ईच अदर वेरी वेल. सो कांटेक्ट करना उसका मतलब दिग्विजय को गलत समझा.
When you expand remaining 2 slots, expand the remaining.
I gave the reply already. After budget, not necessarily on a particular date.
give एक ब्रेक.